Welcome to the webinar. Today, our topic is what are the basic functions on Tuya IoT platform. My name is Alicia, and I'm the project manager from Asian Pacific area. Nice to meet you guys. And before we started today's topic, I'd like to talk a little bit more about Tuya Smart. In Tuya Smart, we aim to enable normal devices to become smart devices. And as you can see from the right chart, Tuya provided services on modules, app, clouds, and based on the three basic functions, we have more value-added services, include voice speakers, SaaS development, etc. Okay. Let's go to today's topic. Here is the contents. First of all, I'd like to show you an overview of IoT platform. And then we will talk about app service and product management. These two functions are the most frequently used functions on IoT platform. And then I will show you something about data center, operation center, SaaS development, purchasing, value-added services. At the end, I will share with you some documents and the way to work with Tuya on IoT platform. Let's go to the overview of IoT platform. First of all, Tuya IoT platform is a creative platform that is open to developers. You can create smart products on IoT platform. Also, you can create app on IoT platform. Here you can see this is the page of IoT platform. From the top, there is a navigator to 9 basic function sections of IoT platform, include product, app service, purchase, data, operation, document, cost, value-added service, and SaaS development. At the right hand, as you can see, there is an entrance to technical support and also a bell. This bell named IM, Instant Message. This tool is developed by Tuya team for the communication between Tuya and you. So, if you need any technical support, click technical support and raise your questions. Also, if you need any services from IoT platform or other technical support or chattings, we can create group through IM. If you can't see the bell, contact your BD. And next is account. For Tuya IoT platform, we have different levels of accounts. For higher levels, you would have more products to manage and also more languages to support. So remember to contact your BD to increase the level. And also, I want to show you the space. What is space? Well, let's see, if you have an IoT platform managing all of the products of your company and also managing the app, you definitely don't want to share the password with everyone if you have tens of employees in the company. So that's the space you can use. You can, for example, if you want your buyer to access IoT platform, but only get access to purchase parts, then you can assign him or her to the buyer role. This is how space works. And next is customization. This customize is for the page showed here. You can have different sequences. And also, here's a user guide here. Click the user guide. You will have some menu for the app, product, data, and operations, etc. The last block I want to share with you is the latest news. Because Tuya put a lot of effort to increase IoT platform for better customer experience. So you can always find the newest functions from this block. And for the rest, there are quick access to each function sections you can find out. Okay, next, let's go to app service. Firstly, I'd like to talk about OEM app. Below, there are some pictures showing Tuya Smart app. For Tuya Smart app, we have account system, home management, device pairing and device control, and smart, and also some settings. And what is OEM app? For OEM app, it's a reskin app on Tuya app and maintain all the basic functions with Tuya app. So you can have your own logo there, and you can have your own app, but you can also share all the basic functions with Tuya app. Let's see what we can do for the OEM items. We can do color theme, icon, startup page, multi-language, and network distributions. Okay, let's have a practice. Here, this is the IoT platform. Click App Service from the navigator. As you can see, I have already created one, but I want to show you from the beginning. Okay. Here, as you can see that the characters is limited to 11, because if you put too many characters here, the name shown on the phone won't be good. Okay, and also need to input the package name and the bundle ID. The package name and the bundle ID are for the identifications on Android and iOS. This is necessary. They can be same if you want. And okay, let's see what we can reskin. First of all, you can upload your own brand logo here. But remember, we have some requirements on the dimensions, format, and size. From the preview, you can see how it will look like. Because we will have app introduction in later sessions, so it's just a brief introduction here. You can have more detailed instruction later. Here you can see startup pages. You can upload different pages here. And also different color theme showed here and here. So I will choose orange. And this is the basic configuration. Besides of that, we can also change the tab icon for home, smart, and me. But remember to upload 2 sets because we have default set and activate set. For activate set, it means when you click on it. For default set, it will stay gray if you don't click on it. And also, you can change the background image and the logo on sign up page. Okay, next. Because for iOS, the map is from iOS, but for Android, we need to link Google Maps key here so that our app can use the map. Just follow the simple instructions here. You can create. Okay, so the basic configurations have been done. We can click to build. As a building page, you can see that how many time left for the packages to be finished. And after the build finished, there will be an email sent to your mailbox for a reminder. And when it's done, you can have a QR code here So use your phone to scan the QR code and you can download the app for try. Because it takes time here, I would like to show you the built one. This is the version page of the app. On this page, you can modify app name and also do some other configurations. Here, I want to show you two other configurations. The first one is certificates. As you may know that to launch app in App Store, we need certificates. And before, we need to follow manual to go step by step to create the certificates. It takes time. But now, on Tuya IoT platform, we provide a service to generate the certificates automatically. Fill in the information here and click. You will get the certificates. This is the same for Android. And also, I like to show you the network distribution configuration. What is the network distribution list? Here, from the app, as you can see, there is a device list that for pairing. And you can see for Tuya Smart, because we support a lot of devices, so there would be maybe too many devices for brands and distributors. If you want to have your own device list, you can do the configuration here. For standard category, it's exactly the same device list with Tuya Smart. Two levels here, but we can do customization for two modes. Mode 1 is one level catalog. It means that there will be only one page to show all of the devices. It's clean when you don't have too many devices. For level 2, a category mode means that it is similar to Tuya Smart. When you have two levels, top levels is a big catalog, and on each catalog, you will have devices. Okay, I choose this one here, and you can see that the light is different from the others. From here, you can see we have two categories to create. The first one is standard. This is from Tuya Smart. You can't change anything but to select one. But also, you can create a custom category. It's from the PID list of your IoT platform. You can change the image here, also change the names. Okay, that's something for network distribution. And also from here, you can see that what's the app version. Click in. Here is a QR code for you to scan and download the app to try. And from the right hand, you can see the template version. This is the version for Tuya Smart. So if we have newer version, we will put it here. So you can change it to the newest version. And I think maybe tomorrow we will have a newer version here. If you want to try it here. Okay, that's something for the app. So for OEM app, that's all we can do on the IoT platform. But if you are not satisfied with the OEM app, we provide other services. Oh, sorry. Before we go to App SDK, I'd like to introduce you more on what we can do for the OEM app. Because for OEM app, the trial runtime is 30 days. So if you're fine with your app, remember to buy the OEM app on IoT platform. And then Tuya also provides services for app launch and app upgrade. Besides of that, we have app market to help you to sell products to end customers, and also widget access, Siri access, and Apple Watch access. That's all for OEM services. And if you're not satisfied with what OEM app can do, then we have other options for you. From Iot Platform, we provide SDKs if you want to develop your own app, but also access to Tuya Cloud and Tuya devices. We have different solutions for you to choose. Click on different solutions and you will have the package. And also, if you are not satisfied with the OEM app, but you don't want to develop the app by yourself, check with your BD if Tuya can do the customization. Okay, next, I'd like to talk about product management. Before I showed you how to create product on Iot platform, I'd like to share with you two terminologies. The first one is PID. PID is the product ID created on Iot platform. You can find PIDs on Iot platform. To own a PID is very important because if you own the PID, you would own all the data of the PID. For example, for operation center, if you have the PID, all of the devices under the PID, the feedback would be yours. And also, you will need the PID for purchasing. The second one is device ID. The device ID is the ID for each device, and you can see it on app, follow the steps below. The device ID is important when you help your end customer to do troubleshooting. Okay, next, let's see how we can create products. There are 5 steps to create a smart product on Iot platform. Firstly, we need to make sure what functions you want to show or control on the app. That is the DP code we are calling data points. And after the selection of data points, we can select the UI. From the Iot platform, Tuya provides various UIs of different devices. Choose the one you like. And the third step is for hardware commissioning. This is mostly used for factories or developers. On this page, we have modules, firmwares, and also SDKs for development. And the first part is for cloud configuration. We support different language settings, alarm settings, distribution network settings, etc. And after all of the configurations done, we can arrange production to trial run or mass production. Okay, let's have a practice. From the navigator, click Product. As you can see from my product management page, I have created 4 products. And for each product, you can see the stages they are in, like developing, mass production, or trial production. And also you can find the PID here. Copy to click. Yeah, here I want to show you something about the lights. Because most distributors and brands would pay more attention to UI and cloud configuration. So here I will do introduction on these 2 parts. If you are interested in hardware commissioning, you can leave messages there. I will share with you later. Okay, combining the app. Firstly, let's check what's quick toggle setting. Firstly, what's quick toggle? Here is the first page on the app. And you can see for this device, there is a switch here. This is the quick toggle we are talking about. Some don't have it because they don't set it. And also there are some expansions here. If you click, you can have more settings. You don't need to enter into the panel, but control the device just as the app page. Let's see what we can do. See, if you enable the switch, it will show on the device. But if you don't select it, then it won't be there. And also, same for the common functions. And the next one is scenario connection. What is a scenario? Okay, as you know that Tuya app can control smart devices, and a scenario is to link devices together to work together. For example, if you have a PM2.5 sensor and the number exceeds some limits, then this can be a trigger condition. The action is turn on the air purifier automatically. That's how devices can work together. That's the scenario we are talking about. So on IoT platform, we can set up the trigger condition and the action. Scenario connection. Here is the trigger condition. Enable or disable. And then they will show in the list. We would have more introduction on app later. So if you are interested in it, please remember to attend the app session. Next is language. For enterprise level accounts, Tuya supports 44 languages. So you can have your own languages showed on the app and the devices. Here is entrance. Firstly, you can see how many languages here and choose the one you want to edit, confirm. And what we can change includes product information, like switch on, off, like this, an app interface, network connection, alarm text, firmware upgrade text. So if you want to add like Spanish, add the text here and click save. Sorry, because I don't change. Click save. You must enter in, then to save. Okay, that's for language. Next, I would like to show you network connection. The network connection is a menu for your end user to connect the device to network. So you don't need a paper menu. Here, Tuya provides a standard menu on IoT platform, but you can change it to special one. You can see the preview here. Also, the icon can be changed. Next, let's see what's alarm management. Alarm management.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, I have a question about that.
Sorry.
Manual, if you want to change the manual, you have to, and you have 3 different languages. You have to write down the manual in 3 different languages?
Actually, there are only 2 languages to support on the, sorry, wait a moment, network connection. There are 2 blocks here. So currently, yeah.
Okay, so it's only for 2 languages.
Yes. Okay, but I will check if we can input other languages here for English parts. Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me? Okay.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah. When I'm using the platform for some time now, and you can have the language that you want when you're in the multilingual. Yes, and then you can have your language in the network connection guides when you use it.
Ah, yes, you're
And
right.
then you can have all the language that you have, and then you can customize it.
Ah, thank you.
No, welcome. So you have it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
No problem.
let's continue. Okay, the next one is alarm management. What is alarm management? Let's take an example that if you have an IP camera and your end customer has IP camera in the front door, and if there is someone moving, because there's move detection of the IP camera, you can set up push notification to your customer's phone for a reminder. That's something like alarm management. Here, new trigger. You can see what would be pushed to the phone. And next is the app UI design.
Excuse me, I have a question with the last part. All these like segments and configurations are like the company that is doing this for the client, or the client that is doing and putting all these products by himself or his house?
This is for the brands or distributors. The setup is for the brands or distributors because this is based on the PID. But the push notifications or the scenario settings, the end user would use it.
Okay.
So if you are the PID owner, you can do like alarm settings. But for end users, they will receive the notification. They can't do the alarm settings for the whole PID.
Okay. Sorry, what's the PID? What's a PID?
Okay, the PID, for example, this light, here is the PID. The PID is,
okay.
Yeah, the PID is it likes product type or product number.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
No worries. Okay, so let's still go to the UI app panel design. So we have different free panels for you to use. If you want to use any one, click apply. Here you can see different. And also, let me show you another one. Apply here. For some of the UIs, we also allow customers to do additions on background color and background images. And also some designs, some colors for customization. And after you choose the one you want, you can also scan the UI to try, scan the device to try. On the app, there's add device, and then scan. You can try the virtual device on your phone. Okay. And that's all for the product.
Hi, Alicia.
Hello.
Hello, Sergio here from Brazil. Just one question
Mm-hmm.
about the scan. I was told that in the past that you have to have an account with the China, China account. Like you have to your to use the scan, you have to have your account registered as a Chinese user.
We use, yeah.
Is it changed so I can use my account here in Brazil, or where I have to register an account with the telephone like +86, that's number for China, and use it?
I get it. Because, yeah, it's used to open to only Chinese users. But
Okay.
now we have opened to overseas.
All right.
You can use your phone, you can use your account to try it. If you need any problem, let us know, because this function only opened to our overseas customers last month.
Okay, great. Whew. Life changing. Thank you.
It's improving. Thank you.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you.